know that you've all done your tutorial sessions this week, and I want to give a huge congratulations to those students who are consistently coming to tutorials and engaging in all the resources in Canvas and making sure they're prepared and also undertaking all the activities in the tutorials. I just want to say thank you. For those students who are missing tutorials, make sure that you're looking at the rubric for assessment number 3 because tutorials are graded. Don't worry if you're not prepared, if you haven't looked at the online lecture or if you haven't had time to do the readings. I have put summary videos in each module that will summarise the readings and the key themes and topics of that week. So worst case scenario, you can have a look at that video and then come along to tutorials. And even if you're not doing that, please come. It doesn't matter if you're not prepared. Obviously, I prefer if you are, but things happen and sometimes you're not able to do that. Come along, we will get you on the same page and we will support you throughout the process. So please come along to tutorials. Are you engaged in Canvas? So what is it that I see and what is it that I look at when it comes to Canvas? I can see how you're engaged in terms of the data. I have data analytics at the background of Canvas. I can see what you're looking at, how often you're looking at it, and how engaged you are in Canvas. And as we know, the research is really clear. Students who engage on a continuous basis and are actually getting really involved in the learning, you will increase your success when it comes to your learning outcomes and your assessment grades. So yeah. Make sure that you're clicking on, reviewing and reflecting. Make sure you're looking at the online lecture. Make sure you're reading, doing your readings and reviewing them and reflecting. Keep in mind that assessment extensions up to 7 days can be approved through Canvas. You don't need to reach out to me personally. If you need an extension that doesn't go beyond 7 days, you can go into Canvas and there's a section in there that you'll see where you click on and you put in your request and I'll approve that pretty much straight away. So don't come to me and you don't need to have a discussion with your tutor. You can do that in Canvas. All other extensions, including those who have an equity learning plan, you will need to negotiate with me personally. Don't leave it too late and you must do it before a due date for an assessment. Okay, so next week is when your assessment 1 is due. Remember, we're here. You can always reach out and get support.